In this tutorial, we are gonna make a cube that changes material and collision. Okay, let's create a blueprint class. It's an actor. Call it whatever you want. I'm gonna call it BP shifting cube and open it. Add a static mesh. Compile, save first. Okay. On begin play, what we want to do, we want to get our static mesh and change collision. So set collision enabled, and new type is no collision. And to change material, set material. In third person template, we are this M field radius preview. I think it's really cool. Okay, so this is our first step. So we wanna add a delay. Duration is how many seconds do you want? So I'm gonna set it 2.5 and copy all of that, paste it and plug it, and set new type to collision enabled, and change material default one. Okay, and add another delay. So 2.5 seconds, 2.5 seconds. Okay, it's gonna change this collision and material every 2.5 seconds. And on begin play, I want to add a delay, another delay, and it's for editable duration. So I'm gonna set duration and instance editable this duration. Okay, and go. So the last delay is gonna turn back this function. Let's look up, set static mesh as a cube, and let's look. And there it's. So let's add another one and set duration to 2 seconds. Okay, as you can see, they are gonna change different times. So we can make a puzzle or make a level with these cubes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.